Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix escape from Tarkov, high ping, packet loss, network jiggering and stuttering. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on search and then write create restore point. Then press create and then just name it whatever you like. So Tarkov, right? Press create. So this is the step in case something went wrong and you mess up settings. You can always go back here and uh, basically restore to the before you change something by pressing system restore. Then choose a different restore point, press next, and then select Tarkov and press next and complete all these steps here. So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here, you just need to write view network connections. And then if you have more than one network connection here and you sure that you don't use it, you just need to right click and disable it, right? And just leave with these options that you currently using because it will help you a lot. Then look for Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi connection, right click on it, go to properties, and then here make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 is the only option enabled here. And just uncheck it like this and then save the changes, right? Then right click again, go to properties, go to configure, go to power management and make sure allow this device to wake the computer is only option on. Then go to advanced and copy my settings. So advanced EEE and RRP offload should be disabled. Then EEE max support speed, leave it as this. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabit light, green Ethernet, interruption moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload, V2, IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled, okay? Then go to network address, make sure it's not present. Then NS offload disabled, power saving mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers, don't change anything here, leave it as it is. Shutdown wake on LAN, make sure it's disabled. Speed and duplex, make sure it's highest available. TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. Transmit buffers, do not change anything here, leave it as it is. UDP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. VLAN ID, leave it as this. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match should be disabled. And WOL shutdown link speed, leave it as it is. And then don't forget to apply changes. Then again, press on your internet connection, go to properties, and then look for Internet Protocol version 4. And then you need to change some DNS addresses. So basically there is two DNS server addresses that is working. So Google DNS server, that is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 and Cloudflare's that I'm using right now. So you need to test it for yourself, what is working for you better. And to do so, you just need to open up CMD, make sure to open as admin. Then you need to write ping and put DNS server. So ping 8.8.8.8 and look what results you're getting with the primary DNS server of Google. In my case, I'm getting 8 ms with 0 packet loss. If I put secondary, ping 8.8.4.4, look what you're getting. In my case, I'm getting 0 packet loss and 9 ms. If I put Cloudflare's, ping 1.1.1.1, as you can see here, I'm getting 4 ms with 0 packet loss. And if I put secondary Cloudflare's, 1.0.0.1, I'm getting, as you can see here, 4 ms, right? So just look what with what DNS servers you're getting better results and put it here. Then apply the changes, restart your computer, look if you're getting lower ping or not. And still, if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. Click the link below and you will get free trial to set up everything here. And then after you set up with free trial, look if you're getting better results or not. When I did not had a Ethernet connection, I always used exit lag to play CS2, and because without it, it wasn't playable. So I'm talking from experience here. And to set up everything, it's quite easy. You just need to go to library, then look for the game, escape from Tarkov here, press on it, then choose a region or server, select nearest to you, in my case is Europe, then press apply routes, and once routes apply successfully, you just need to launch the game and look if you're getting better results or not. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.